Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're taking a look at the Breitling Colt Automatic 44. The reference number is A1738811/C906. This one is featuring the highly desirable blue dial. This is arguably one of the best value Swiss sports watches currently available on the secondary market. The Breitling Colt line is known for combining rugged durability, strong wrist presence, and everyday wearability with Breitling's aviation heritage. This particular example features a 44mm stainless steel case, automatic Chronometer-certified movement, sapphire crystal, a rotating bezel, and a striking blue dial that changes beautifully depending on lighting conditions. The blue dial is really what makes this watch stand out. You get excellent contrast, clean legibility, applied markers, and classic Breitling styling without being overly flashy. The polished stainless steel case gives the watch a premium look while still maintaining that tool watch feel Breitling is known for. Inside the watch is a COSC certified automatic chronometer movement, meaning it has passed strict Swiss accuracy standards. For buyers looking for a reliable daily luxury watch, this movement is proven dependable and built for everyday use. At 44mm, this watch has a strong wrist presence without feeling oversized. It works extremely well as a daily wear luxury sports watch and pairs easily with casual wear, business attire, or automotive lifestyle set. Feel free to request additional pictures or video of any of the watches that we show on the channel, and we will definitely get those to you. So who is this watch for? This is a great watch for first-time luxury watch buyers, Breitling enthusiasts of course, collectors wanting strong value, professionals wanting a versatile Swiss sports watch, and buyers who want luxury without paying that Rolex level price. If you're interested in purchasing this Breitling Colt Automatic 44 or viewing additional luxury watch inventory, please see the link in the description where you'll find our link tree and also the link to our website where you can actually view detailed pictures and descriptions of any watch that we show here. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos with other watch enthusiasts because we have a lot of great watches coming in and we definitely want to share with you.